In my life, everyone is my teacher. My parents, my teachers, my brother, sisters, my husband, my children, my mate, etc. Everyone teaches me something. My mother is the one who will always be the best teacher in my life. No matter how much educated or uneducated she is. She always gives best advice to me. My families also take a best part in my life. They taught me beyond any syllabus. Often I learn simply by observing others. Some may be completely unaware that I am learning from them. Although I am a mother of two children, yet they both are the teacher of my life. They both teach me many things. In my opinion, learning never ends. Teachers are the second mother in my life. They give my thoughts and imagination a good path. Most important, Ravi sir, I never meet a teacher like you. You are a best teacher in my life. I am nearly age of 50. I never thought that in this age I ever learn English. But now I think you will be do it possible. This is this is most important in my life. That thanks for you. Thanks for everyone for you giving me. Thank you very much, sir.
You are an inspiration to all of us.
The all credit goes to you. Because of you, I never miss class. I want to attend the class because you give me most inspiration that you can do it. The I never thought that I will ever learn this English, and now in this age I never thought. But you give me inspiration and you give me strong willing power for me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Hello everyone. We all are together an occasion of Teachers' Day. I am also a teacher. As PM says, it's not only a Teachers' Day, it's Guru Utsav also. I think the students are like clay. When the camp is beautiful or clean, the creation will be more beautiful. The teacher is like a labor. He digs wells to us so that we drink the sweet water of knowledge. And we all are like clay, and Bhaiya is like our camp. I want to thank to Bhaiya that Bhaiya brought us in this place. Thank you, Bhaiya.
So thank you so much, Mamta Didi, for your kind words. You are very generous.
I again thank you for your selfless service.
Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day. So this day is mark of the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers are the person who gives us not only knowledge but also inspiration to live. And sir, in my whole life, the best teacher is Sir Ravi sir. I have never seen teacher like you because sir, you are the one who takes care of all the students. You made weak student to the smart and gives lots of motivational love. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Muskan. That was so nice. And Muskan, you are the most, I must say that most energetic girl. That's awesome. That's awesome. So you have to keep up the same bubbly thing which you have in you. That's fantastic. You can kill anybody with your charm in that manner. Trust me. So keep up the same. That's wonderful.
Today we are gathered to celebrate our this Teachers' Day. And I want to say that to explain what is the importance of teachers. So this is general for all. So teachers play an important role in our life, students' life, like progress, shaping, enlightenment also. Teachers and student relationships are the most beautiful relationship in the world because teachers guide and lift up confidence, built up confidence in us. This is the day we should thank and remember the teachers who have shaped us gently and firmly. We should convey our wishes to the best teacher who had left a great impact on us on this day. Here we can provide some quotes, wishes, message, and poem extra to so that you share the teachers and celebrate this occasion. I will always be thankful for your hard work, sir, and efforts put in us for educating us. Thank you, sir. This is my by heart. I want to say that you have put lot of efforts for us to teach us, but this is our weakness. I could not learn lot of things. Thank you, sir.
First of all, thank you so much.
Yes.
You are the senior most among all of us, and
Yes,
trust
sir.
me, I always, get inspired because of your dedication.
Yes.
That there is no age bar in order to
Yes.
learn anything in this world, and
Yes.
so you are the best example which we,
Yes.
what we can
Yes.
have. And apart from thanking me, trust me, it's completely my pleasure that I have, I've been chosen by Gurudev or by God to help, or to share my a little bit knowledge which I can.
So, hello everyone. Today is Teachers' Day. We all know that. So, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan had said, instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5 is observed as Teachers' Day. And the tradition of celebrating Teachers' Day has been started in 1962 in India in honor to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and all the teachers. First of all, in everyone's life, our first and great teachers are our parents. They taught us like teachers. They protected us like our parents. They guided us like a mentor. I am always grateful to them. After our parents, we come across a lot of teachers in our life, but in everyone's life, there are some teachers who remain favorite in their life. Firstly, I wanted to tell about my respected teacher, Sadananda sir. Like his name, he always was like Sada Ananda kind of person. Always there is smile in his face, and he was our Sanskrit teacher in our school in 11 and 12. Always when he used to teach us all the topics, he used to teach various interesting stories. He was a teacher, a storyteller, a guide who always kept his faith on us and always motivated us. He always treated all the students as if they were his daughters and sons. He was aged, but now he is retired man. He was an inspiration for me. And I also want to tell about our respected Ravi sir. He is like an angel in our life, a God's gift to us. And he is not only a teacher, he is like an elder brother, a friend, and a motivational speaker also. He motivates us, and he teaches us how to believe in ourselves. And I want to thank you him, and I'm really grateful. I want to thank you for your unconditional dedication and love towards us. I feel myself very lucky that I get a teacher like you, and I have enormous respect for you. Teaching is a mother profession in all other profession. If there is no teacher, there is no profession. A teacher creates other profession. I want to touch feet to all of my teachers, and I want to thank them, and I pray to God that God bless them all. Thank you.
Wow, outstanding. I would like everyone to clap for her, please. It was marvelous. Outstanding, Dheera. Absolutely. I have always appreciated you The way you prepare, the way you give presentation, it's always been so nice.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely. That was fantastic. Uh, Trust me, it was, I mean, I'm even, a bit speechless in terms of words, but that's fantastic. Very good. Very good. Nice.
Thank you,
And
sir.
trust me, you do not have to, you are like a younger sister to me. Trust me, you always, I always like to see you blessed, and you will always be happy. Trust me, you will. Yep. Very good. I can see the change in you the day you joined in and now. So that's fantastic. And it's all because of your dedication that you have never missed
And
any of
also
your
you,
classes.
sir.
No, I am teaching equally to all the people, but it's all your dedication towards your own. So that's fantastic. Keep up the
Thank you,
same,
sir.
dear. Absolutely great.
Today is Teachers Day, and we all are celebrating Teachers Day. So I want to wish everyone a very happy Teachers Day. A teacher is a friend, philosopher, and guide. A teacher is like candles who lights students' life. There is a proverb that charity begins at home. When we born, our first education starts at our home. Our parents is our first teacher. After that, when we go to school, we meet some teachers. From them, some few became our idol teacher, and we admire them for entire life. In my school life, there is a teacher. Her name is Rita Sinha. She was an idol to me, and I admire her, and she is my role model. So I want to wish her very happy Teachers Day, and I want to wish Rabi Bhaiya a very happy Teachers Day, because he is not only a spoken English teacher, but also he encourages everyone and he motivates everyone. And the best thing in him is that he never discourages or demotivate anyone. So I want to wish you very happy Teachers Day. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Sujata. And just to let you know, I'm sure you all are aware that Sujata is a very versatile girl. I must say, she is a singer, she is an anchor, she is a poet, and I might have forgotten a few more qualities of her. So probably somebody can help you on that. So yes, Pishaliji, go for it.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Happy Teachers Day. Today we are celebrating Teachers Day, and that's why we are able to together. I want to say teachers are pillar of our life. Because of the teacher, we are able to grown up in our life. From our childhood, teachers helps us in so many ways in our life. From our childhood, teachers helps us so many ways in our life. When you thought that we can't able to do anything, but teachers gives us beliefs that we can do everything in our life. My first teacher was and always be my mother, because she taught me from my childhood and till now. And in my life, I have so many best teacher though helped us from my childhood. And sir, you are one of them, because you always motivated us, guide us when we thought that we can't able to speak in English. And but you always pushed us that we able to talk in English, and you always motivated us also. Thank you so much, sir, for your guide and for your help. We are able now, something we are able to talk in English. So thank you, sir.
Pushali Didi, it's all your talent. It's just that I am just a provider. I am just trying to help you a bit. But trust me, you were the one who always used to speak in the beginning also. But just that I've tried you to show you what you actually are. Because sometimes it happens that people are not aware that they are actually a diamond or they are the goals. It's just that you need to know it. That's it. So I've shown you the mirror that this is what you are actually. And here you can see that you are shining amongst all.
No, sir, because of you, we know that we are able also talk in English. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think.
Yes, yes, Sushmita, go for it.
First of all, I am wishing a happy Teachers' Day to you. Hi everyone, good evening. Today is Teachers' Day, so I am going to tell something shortly about it. We celebrate this day as birthday of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan to show honor for him. He was an Indian philosopher academic who served first president and second president of India. First of all, I feel gratitude for my mother because she is my first teacher. Then I am feeling gratitude for all my teachers, include all my teachers who had teach me well from childhood to college to make me a good human being, to find purpose of life, to achieve success for bright future ahead. Teachers are the pillar of society who has capability to make a doctor, an engineer, an advocate, an IPS officer, etc. for betterment of society. A teacher always tries best to set a student in his best frame. And lastly, few lines for Ravi Bhaiya. Although Ravi Bhaiya is doing other job, yet he is a good teacher. He is a working person, though he tries to give 100% with full effort in class. He always inspires us, motivates us. I think he admires me more than I deserve, and I really thankful for him. Although I call him Bhaiya, yet I respect him as a teacher. So may God bless you, Bhaiya. Stay safe and healthy. Be energetic and enthusiastic always. Keep smiling always. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sushmita. Thank you so much. So sweet of you. But you know what? I loved your speech, and even I noticed that you used all the conjunction which we have taught.
Yeah.
So that was so amazing. So amazing. You know, the beautiful speech and beautiful feelings of your heart with the knowledge which we have discussed. That was superb. Superb.
Thank you,
And thank
Bhaiya.
you so much for all your blessings. Thank you so much. Okay.
Bhaiya, I want to say something.
Yes, please, Sri Didi, go for it.
At first, good evening, everyone. Wish you all a very happy Teacher Day. The first Teacher Day was celebrated in India 1962 on 5th September. It is the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. First, I would like to thank all the teachers in my life, teachers who play an important role in our life, teachers who play an extremely important role in our life. They are the one who work selflessly for our benefit, not expecting anything from us. Their work is very hard and teach us everything. In my life, the best teacher was my mom because she taught me everything till now. From childhood, I have got so many teachers. They have given such a supportiveness, care, and all the things. When I was in college, I was meet a teacher. Her name is Longjam Ria Devi, and she always teach to me how to solve our problem. And one thing that she will teach, that don't die before you are dead. That means we shall overcome from all the situations. He was a wonderful teacher in my life. Now it is the time I would like to thank to Ravi Bhaiya for being supportiveness and you are the daily inspired me. Thank you very much, sir. We will always be grateful for your support. And again, thank you very much and happy Teachers Day.
Thank you so much, Srididi. You are so amazing. I still remember, when you joined these classes, I found that you were a little apprehensive, that you had some question in your mind that how it has to go on. But today, when I see that you are speaking so beautifully, everything expressing yourself, that feels, amazing to me. Trust me.
Hello everyone, hope you all are well. Today is Teachers Day and we are here to celebrate the Teachers Day. After part, we have parents and other family members, relatives. They teach us how to handle a situation, how to do some work or anything. But after some days, when we grow up, we have to stand in school. Though the school is not good for us, I mean, though the school is going to school is not, we are not feel happy to going school. Though our parents, our mothers sent us to school to teach, because our parents know that they can't teach their children to that extent that their child should establish to the society. So we have to go there, though we don't like to go there. But after some days, Guru teaches us everything, and like a poster, they are always with us. And it is very. I mean, we are the soul. We are pure souls from God, and someday we will dead, but the teaching will not never end. So we will teach the children, and the teaching, whatever the teacher teaches us when we are students, the teaching will not never go in the art. So the teaching is the purest thing, and it's a wisdom that teachers have the thing, and we have to teach these things to other people, like the teacher teaches us when we are students. And Bhaiya teaches us these things, and by this way the teaching goes on by 1 to 1 person. May one day we do not live in this earth. May we do not live in this earth, but our teaching impact will last forever in this earth. So we have to keep this thing. God has sent us to spread these things to the whole human. And Bhaiya, thank you so much. You gave us a lot of things. You teach us a lot of things, not only English, but also in every aspect of our life. We learn a lot of things from you. Thank you so much, Bhaiya.
I must say, Paramita Didi, it is your generosity and you are kind enough to appreciate me, but you are an indeed person. You are a very good and kind person from the heart, and you are a very quick learner. I must say that the way you grown up and the way you have learned it, I must say that was fantastic. That was phenomenal. And thank you so much.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
And if you talk about the further thing and you wanted to learn, I am announcing, and soon I'll be going for the advanced classes. So you all are most welcome into it, wherein you will learn a lot of things new, provided you through my, there will be an assessment test which I will share. And I expect each one of you who wish to go for advanced course, you have to appear in the test. And I believe with the God grace, you will score 60% out. Yes, Deepak, please go ahead. Yes.
Good evening to my respected teacher and my dear friends. We've all gathered here today to celebrate Teachers' Day. Today's day is a special day for all of us, where we can pay a healthy tribute to our dear teachers who take untiring efforts to build our future. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September in every year. 5th September is the birthday anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, uh, who was the second president of India, and he was also a great scholar and teacher. When Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan became president of India, some of his former students wanted to celebrate his birthday on 5th September, but he suggested that instead of celebrating 5th September as his birthday, it would be a proud privilege if this day is celebrated as Teachers' Day. So since then, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day every year. So this day is celebrated by all students in India with great joy and happiness. It gives us an opportunity to express our gratitude towards our teachers. Teachers play a big role in building the character of the students. They give us knowledge, believe in us, and help us achieve our dreams. They focus on improving the personality of the students and making them a good human being. And they also prepare us to face challenges in life. So undoubtedly, teachers are the backbone of the society, and we are very much privileged that we got like Ravi sir, who the way he motivating us is quite appreciable, and we are very thankful to you that you are teaching me like a brother. So we are thankful to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Deepak Bhaiya, for your kind words. And just to let everyone know that he is the most eligible bachelor amongst all and the most handsome too. And, we all love him so much. And he's always been, creative enough, and he has always helped me some way or the other. So yes, that's absolutely true. I have always liked you and felt you like a brother to me, and you have always given me that respect. So thank you so much, Deepak Bhaiya. You are an amazing person, I must say.
I want to say something, Bhaiya. Jai Gurudev,
Yes,
Bhaiya.
Jai Gurudev, Geeta Didi. Yes, please.
Happy Teachers Day. And teacher
I'm
are
sorry,
the
Geeta Didi. I'm sorry, Geeta Didi, to interrupt. Just fix your camera first because it's shaking a lot of movement. Yeah, just fix your camera and then start. Yes.
teacher are the most Happy Teachers Day, all of you. Teacher are the most important member of society because their professional effort affect the world. We came to this beautiful earth. We have met many people, and we learned a lot of things from everyone, like parents, relatives, like our kids or strangers. But I have met Sir Ravi Bhaiya 2 months ago in this class, and for that I am very lucky. I have got Ravi Bhaiya. Ravi Bhaiya. So, Ravi Bhaiya as a good teacher and a good human being. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Geeta Didi. And trust me, as we always say that I am not the lucky one. It's you. It's I'm the lucky one because it's always the pleasure to meet you, Geeta Didi. Trust me. And you've always treated me and behaved me like a a brother, and always supported me the same way. So thank you so much, Geeta Didi.
Thank
But
you.
I am, trust me, I am not very much happy with you. You know why? Tell me why.
Bye.
Because
Yes,
one
Bhaiya.
thing, you don't join the classes now. I've seen you many a times that you were not there. One, and I also see that I'm not sure how much practice are you still doing.
Yes, Bhaiya.
So that's, I'm really not happy with these two things. I want you to achieve your dream which you have actually seen in your life. I remember that incident which you shared to me, right? Wherein
Yes,
you
Bhaiya.
felt a bit embarrassed. You remember that?
Sorry, Bhaiya. So,
Hmm. No, you don't have to be sorry, Didi. You are absolutely fine. I know you have some challenges in your life, therefore you may not be able to do it. But yes, trust me, you have to do it.
yes, Bhaiya.
Okay,
Definitely.
and you can do it. And I see Poonam Didi, she's got the extreme dedication, like you, likewise you always used to be there. So you have to keep up the same momentum now. I know I am occupied with this fresh batch, with new batch, but I always try to give as much time as I can give to you all too.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yes, and you know how to reach out to me, so you can always reach out to me on email or WhatsApp while you are doing any practice. So keep doing the practice, please.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Hello.
I will do.
Thank you. Thank you, Didi.
Hello.
Thank you.
Yes, Tutan Bhaiya,
Hello.
I can listen to you. And
Tell something.
I may just admire you first thing. I just love your hello. Because whenever you begin, irrespective, we all can see you, but you always start with hello, as if you're talking over the phone. Hello. So I just love this word.
Thank you,
So
Bhaiya.
for today, you do not have to say hello. Start straight away. Okay. Yes, Tutan, yeah, go for it.
Today, Teachers Day is celebrated every year on the 5th September, which also marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was an Indian philosopher and the second president of India. Today, 5th September, today to celebrate the occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to thank Ravi Bhaiya, who has been our guiding force during the lockdown. You have not only taught us the new way to learn, but also motivated us during the lockdown. I would like to thank my favorite teacher, Parthapratim Sinha, who always guided me and uh, my every my life, every part. He guided me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tutunbria. I think this is the most, the maximum time I could see that you have spoken today, and with that confidence. And your voice was also extremely clear. So that's a great job, absolutely great. And trust me, Tutunbria, you are improving every day. And I can see the recording which you sent out to me every day. That's going great. Keep up the same thing. And just to let everyone know, Tutan Bhaiya is, a very hardworking guy, I must say. And in spite, her mom is not well, but he has always been into our class. In spite, he also cooks food and he does household work also. But he never, I mean, you can see, look at him. He never, pulls himself down. Neither he is discourageous enough. He has the high morale. He's got a very extreme confidence, and he always puts his step forward in learning. So he is doing a tremendous job. Yeah.
Love you, Bhaiya.
Tutunbria, what did you say? I'm sorry, I missed.
Love you, Bhaiya.
Love you too, my brother. Mwah. Oh my God. Trust me, I thank my God, my Gurudev, every moment of my life, to have all of you in my life, actually. because you know the pleasure, the feeling which I get when I talk to you, when I see you all smiling, enjoying the life, I feel top on the world. I mean, trust me, even if I earn so much thing in my life and I've achieved so much in my life, I've never felt so much happiness which I feel being with you all. So that's an extreme happiness. So trust me, I'm not giving you anything at all. It's just that you all are giving me so much thing. You all have taught me how to live my life, and that's exactly what I'm living. So thank you, all of you. Thank you so much, all of you. Please accept my gratitude, please.
Thanks to you, Bhaiya.
Thank you very much, Bhaiya.
We are blessed, sir, that we have teacher like you. We have blessed.
Okay, so have we missed anyone, or shall we start some fun game now? Okay, so there we have Sujata Di. So are you okay? Are you ready to sing a song for us, please?
Actually, Bhaiya, I have sore throat and I am not so well.
I'm sure it's not an excuse.
No, Paramita know that I am not well for few days.
Okay, it's fine. We also have one more singer, right? I remember she has not even shown, not on her camera also. So that's the second one is?
Bhaiya, Deepak is also a singer.
Yes, I do remember that. So Deepak, here is a chance. Go for it. And Pushali Didi, you have to on your camera and we will also listen a song from you. So first we will listen a song from Deepak. Unmute yourself, Deepak. You are muted.
Yeah, I'm also a bathroom singer, not a professional.
It's absolutely fine.
Yes,
we all are bathroom
Yes.
listeners. We all are
Yes.
bathroom listeners, so we all can listen to you.
Okay, I'll sing a song from Veer Zara.
Perfect.
Film.
Go for it, man.
Okay.
That's a beautiful song.
दो पल रुका ख्वाबों का कारवा और फिर चल दिए तुम कहाँ हम कहाँ दो पल की थी ये दिलों के दास्तां और फिर चल दिए तुम कहाँ हम कहाँ तुम थे के थी कोई उजली किरण तुम थे या कोई कली मुस्काई थी तुम थे कि I have forgotten the lines. Sorry.
Outstanding, man. Outstanding, brother. I have become a fan of you now. Trust me. Amazing song from your bottom of your heart. You were singing. I could see the feeling which was coming out of your brain or from your mouth. That was outstanding. Outstanding.
Thanks, but I have forgotten the lines. I used to sing the song before, but not right now.
It's okay. It's okay. Whatever you sang, we all can connect it because the heart can connect it from the other heart. So trust me, we all were able to connect it. That was fantastic.
Thank
you. Are not at all a
Yes,
bathroom
it was
singer anymore. You are not at all a
fantastic.
bathroom singer anymore.
Superb, Deepak. Carry on.
Thank you. But I don't think so. I will go further
It
for
was
singing.
excellent.
No, you are amazing.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Okay, Pushali Didi, on your camera, we would like to listen your song now. And then we'll move ahead to the other people also. I know there are some hidden talents which we haven't listened anymore. So yes, Pushali Didi, go for it. Unmute yourself, please. Yes. Still muted.
Sir,
Yes.
actually, I want to read one shairi that I was written.
Okay, you have written yourself?
But it's like a pathetic shairi.
It's okay. It's okay. So that is something which you have written yourself.
Yeah, sir.
We also have one more poet in ourselves. Wow, go ahead, please. Irshad. We call it Irshad, right? For the poet.
Sir, actually, I need to write it at my note also because it's in my mobile.
Okay, so you need some time. Yeah?
Okay, sir, I need just 5 minutes.
Okay, no problem. You go ahead. I mean, we'll come back to you later. Okay, complete your writing. We'll come back to you. Okay, who would like to go next? Where is Mushkan? Oh, we are missing Mushkan. She is an amazing singer and she sings English songs. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We are missing her.
Yes, truly. Okay, Mamta Didi, do you want to sing something? I can see in your eyes that you have so many songs in you.
Bhaiya, I want to say some lines to you.
Okay.
But it's in Hindi.
It's in Hindi?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Mamta Didi, how is it possible? In English class, you will say something in Hindi?
Bhaiya, at first, I want to say in English, then I write it the sentence in my heart, so it's in Hindi.
Okay. Okay. As you say, I'm okay.
ना काबिल को तुमने अपनाया, स्नेह से हमको अपने नहलाया, फिर भी हम तेरे हो न पाए, फिर भी कर कुछ कर न पाए, तो जीवन जी कर क्या किया. Thank you, Bhaiya. Actually, we all are nakabil.
Beautiful, Didi. Beautiful lines.
Though I'm very, very strong from my heart and from my brain, but looking at such things, I sometimes even, feel or, my emotions comes out. So I'm, controlling myself. Please.
Yeah, it's our divine love.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Anyone? Yes, Pushali, do you want to go now? You're done? Have you written?
Sir, I'm
Yes.
written it in my notebook.
Okay, write it, please. No problem. Okay. Where do we have Kishore ji? Oh, has he left? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so anyone else who is hiding your secret talent?
Is my voice is audible to all?
Yes, Pushali Didi, you are absolutely quite audible. You want to go for it now?
Anyone.
You are not able to hear anyone.
ए जिंदगी इतना क्यों दर्द देता है तू, कहा था सब ठीक कर देगा, कहा था उजला होगा ए समा, कहा था तन्हाइयां मिटाएगा, पर तू तो मुझसे खफा ही हो पड़ा. तोड़ दे ए जंजीरों जैसा बेचैनिया जिसमें मर रही हूं मैं पल पल, नहीं चाहिए ए हलचल, उड़ने दे मुझे पतंगों की तरह, ए जिंदगी फिर से जीने दे जरा, फिर से जीने दे जरा, फिर से जीने दे जरा.
Mind blowing, absolutely mind blowing.
Beautiful.
Amazing. And it's you have written it yourself, right?
Yes, sir.
Amazing poetry, amazing. So it's the first time you're writing it, or you have written many others also?
Sir, I have written many others also.
You are an amazing poet, but why don't you start writing some optimistic things? Though it's very nice, I loved it. I really enjoyed it thoroughly.
Actually, sir, I just read it. I am not good in Hindi also.
No, but that's amazing. It's even if you are not good in Hindi, but still you have written so wonderful. Trust me, that's amazing.
Thank you, sir.
If you have written so many, I have a friend of mine, he's a publisher. I can go ahead and publish all of them.
Okay, sir. Actually, I do not read so many, just like 4, 5. It needs to write 50 now.
Uh-huh. You can
How
go
much
ahead.
it needs to write?
You can write as many as you want, but try to write the optimistic one. The one you have written just now, it's an amazing one. Because with this poetry, what you are trying to, showcase to the world is that there is someone, there is a girl, there is a boy who is
Yes.
somewhere confined or, entangled in all the problems of the world. So
Yes,
wherein you
actually,
want to break out all those problems and want to fly in the world. That's a very amazing poetry. Trust me. Amazing. It looks as if that you have written, or maybe someone professional has written all of this.
No, sir.
Yeah, that's true. You can ask anybody. It's so amazing.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Keep it
Yeah,
up. That's so
Kaushali, you have
beautiful.
done a very good.
Yeah.
Paramita
It was a
was
very good poetry.
Paramita, Sujata, and we know all other.
No, but I seriously loved it. Trust me, it's amazing. Writing your own heart in your, yeah.
I had written so many like this.
You must go for it. Or maybe what we can do, every day when we have a class, you can start with poetry, some motivating poetry rather. And
Okay.
this is so amazing. I just
My poetry have so much pain.
no, but this one, the one you have just said it was amazing. It is very motivating to the people to get out of the problems and start flying in the world and live your life. So somewhere you are breaking the rules of the world and you want to spread your wings. That's
Yes, sir.
amazing.
Feelings
So
was
that's
so
true. Very,
good.
yeah, see, amazing. Good job. Very good job.
Thank you, sir. Actually, I thought it was bad. That's why I don't even.
No, not at all. It's amazing. And trust me, I will try, your poetry should be shown separately in my video. I'll try this one.
Okay,
And
sir.
let's see how many people appreciate that. You will see. Wonderful. Wow. So much talent people have. Trust me. Why are you hiding yourself? Get out of your talent. You all just try to believe in yourself. You all are fantastic. What we most of the time lack in ourselves is we do not believe in our own quality. What we do, we keep on looking others. Oh, he's good in it. He is good in that. But we stop looking ourselves. Start looking into yourself. You all are fantastic. You all are so special, actually.
Sir, okay, then I will read another one after 5 minutes. I just.
Okay, no problem. Sure. Okay, let's come back. Anyone else who wants to go for the fun? I think we have already exceeded the time, so we won't be able to have our group discussion today. Or let's have the group discussion for 10-15 minutes. All right. And we will end our conversation with the last Shairi, which Kushali Didi will share with us. Okay. So now, let's have the discussion about the same Teachers' Day. So how much importance or how important a teacher's role in our life, that we all know, right? But the important thing, if we have guru and teacher, so I think this is one and the same thing, but there are various teachers in our life, like we have, parents as our teacher. We also have school teachers. We also have other teachers whom we learn from. So you share your views that what do you think the best teacher should be? Okay, your views. Yes. And probably what we can do, okay, let's do this way. We can compare the teachers of our ancestral time and now. How the teachers were maybe 30 years or 40 years down the line, and how the teachers are now. Okay, so let's talk about this one. Yes, who would like to start?
Yeah, may I start?
Yes, please, Paramita. You are the Sachin Tendulkar of our team, the opener.
Sir, in ancient times, there is one rule that you have the children sent to Gurukul or Guru Ashram. In that ashram, teachers teaches the students in such a way that the children or the student can face every problem in life that will come in future. So the teacher teaches the students in like in which criteria the student will be able to do. The teacher teaches the student on that criteria only. Like a student, like a children is good as painting, so the guru will teaches the student to paint. Like another student like to do a study in mathematics, so the teacher will teaches him or her in mathematics. So the ancient times, the teacher teaches the student in this way, and by this way they came like successful in their field. But in nowadays, the teachers, all the students have to do same topics or same thing. All the students have to become an successful, means they think that becoming doctor or an engineer or a businessman is of a successful person, is the name of a successful person. But it's not like that. One student who paints as well, or one student who can sing as well, can also become a successful. But in nowadays, this becomes narrower than ancient time. So in ancient time, the teaching, the teaching criteria was so good for students. But nowadays, the criteria.
But Pamita, that time the teacher are not friendly to with the students. But now teachers are friendly with their students.
And I would also
Before
like to
30.
add one more thing. There were so many things. There were very less things in irrespective of the facilities in the ancient time. We only used to have couple of things which we can learn. But now if you talk about the modernization has been announced, or everybody is modernized now. So we have so much to learn. So when you send your kids or children to the schools, so there are ample amount of things which they can learn. And irrespective of this, you can choose any of as your career.
It's lack of facility, bhaiya. It's not teacher's default, na?
Absolutely. I'm not denying that it's the teacher's fault, but I'm saying in irrespective of comparing ancient and now. So in ancient time there was no facilities, and now if you talk, so there are so much fields, there are so much career, so you can choose on. Even if you are good at painting at this level, so you can become famous, you can survive your entire life by painting only, like M.F. Hussain.
Yes.
So now we have so much to do.
Actually, sir, in ancient time, there was not proper infrastructure. But nowadays, students get lots of infrastructure to learn more and more in their own interest.
And in ancient times, the female's education is less than the male education. Now we are equal in the education field.
In ancient time, it was not that much child-centric. Now it is child-centric. Here, so many things to interact with both of the teachers and students. There is a friendly relationship, and there are so many technological growth also. So there is a lot of development, and everyone is getting better now.
Absolutely. But I must share you one very extreme good quality about the ancient time. We never used to write anything. We never used to, uh, you know, we never used to put so much effort in remembering anything. It's just that whatever our
Shruti,
Gurudev used to say, we used to understand it at the
they
same
used to
time.
recognize that.
Absolutely. So they used to grab
It
it
was
quickly.
Shruti.
And if you talk about Shruti, okay, if you talk about now one mobile number, I think that becomes a difficult challenge for us to remember it. So
Bhaiya, we talk about the 30 years before thing, na ancient thing, and in ancient time, it's possible to Shruti, Upanishad, and that time the lots of female were very good sant or jnanis like Gargi.
yes, true.
But
Absolutely. So,
before 30 year or 25 years, the education system is worse than now time.
yeah, true. Absolutely. But I was just talking about the numbers because we used to remember the mobile numbers when we did not have mobiles. But
Yeah.
now we do not even remember our family or maybe mother's number even. So we are dependent so much on the technologies and mobiles.
In
So,
ancient times,
Yes,
students'
Priya.
memory was also so good.
yes, absolutely. And they never used to feel isolated. They used to enjoy their life. A lot of
Yes.
healthy food was there. But if you talk about 30 or 40 years down the line, so as Mamta Didi said, absolutely correct. The education system was extremely poor, and female was, somewhere was harassed because they were never used to allow to go to the schools
Go to
because
school, yes.
yes, they've been told that why do you have to go to school, you need to learn only household work because that is what you've been born for. So such things was there. But now since everybody is so equal, so either it's a girl or a boy, everyone is so equal, so that's a good thing.
And also the special child
Yes,
chances to get their education quite well.
absolutely, absolutely. So there is a brain
Even the
system, there are
They
other
have separate
technologies.
schools.
yes,
Nowadays,
even
parents has separate schools for special children. They can improve
Yes.
everything for him. They can even build their career also in any field.
And
True.
also
even
the
the
inclusive education system where they can learn with normal students. They are getting chance of socialization, and they are becoming independent, and they're learning everything with everyone.
even sir nowadays third gender also getting a chance in every platform because
Yes.
it is not yes, it was not before. They didn't get any chance.
Actually, in 1898, one of Vivekananda's Shishya, her name Margaret, he came to abroad, and Vivekananda changed her name to Sister Nivedita. She started women education for us in India. Before 1898, we are in very poor condition. She started to empower women or educate to women in the rural area and town also. So we are thankful to Sister Nivedita to this.
Yes, and now we are thankful to the Mamta Didi. She's,
No, bhaiya, no,
bringing
bhaiya,
all
no, bhaiya,
those
no, bhaiya,
education to the further
no, bhaiya, no,
further
no,
nature.
no,
She
no,
is
Yes,
very
bhaiya.
yes, Mamta Didi.
generous.
Absolutely generous and modest. She's been doing all these things from last 10 years. Can you imagine how much dedication it requires? Extreme. And she not only takes care of them but also feeds them, and she takes care of all those kids like their own. So
Yes,
I've been to
bhaiya.
that place.
They are my
I've
own
seen
kids.
all of, yeah, absolutely. So that's so amazing. It needs so much dedication and acceptability,
And
and
big
that's
heart
all
also.
she has. Absolutely.
He gives so much blessing that God gives her so much blessing that we can't able to.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Bhaiya, in ancient time, some people, students have was aware about their scripture also, but nowadays we are youngsters are not interested in our Hindu scriptures. We have to focus. We have to rely on TV or mobile. So that
Absolutely.
was the good point.
Absolutely, you are absolutely right that we never look back to our scriptures, what were written. Yeah, we always try to search in Google instead. Okay, lastly, Sujata Didi will speak and then we'll come back to Shali Didi for your next shari and then we'll close the call for today. It's already 11. So, yes.
What should I speak about?
Yes, about the, what we were discussing about.
Okay, I think in ancient times, people are always attached with various activities, like they are playing in the field. Students are playing in the field, but nowadays students are always addicted to online games. They always search anything in Google or internet, but now everyone is forgetting to read books, storybooks. Everyone, student also forgot to read newspaper. They instead of reading newspaper and reading novels, they used to read e-papers or any book in internet. They are always depend on internet. But in ancient times, people are students are fortunate that they should read books. They should get chance to read books, and they're always contact with our epics like Ramayana, Mahabharata, etc.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely, Sujata. Very nice. That's very true that in ancient time we used to look back to our scriptures, and where we still in Corona also, I think Modi ji ordered, or probably we had the publication of Ramayana and Mahabharata. So there are a lot of learnings from it, but it's just that we do not go back to all of that. But that's a very good thing. I still remember my childhood when I was, so we used to look back all these Ramayana on weekends, on Sunday. So that's so amazing. I think we all should go back to all of this. Yeah, that's a very valid point, Siddhartha. Thank you. Okay, Pushali Didi, we'll come back to your Sairi now. And we are truly excited. And, let's see. Yes.
It's pathetic side.
Okay, I think the previous one also pathetic, so we loved it. Let's hope. Go for it.
चाहता था भुला दूंगा तुझे, पर ना भुला पाए हम तुझे। तू ही था, तू ही है, तू ही रहेगा। प्यार तब भी था, अब भी है। फर्क इतना है, किसी और के बाहों में है तू। तू किसी और की महबूब अब। पर ऐसा क्यों कि ये अभी लगता है, हम चाहते तो सब ठीक हो सकता था। हाँ, मैंने बोला नहीं, पर तुमने भी तो पूछा नहीं। अभी खुश रहना तू किसी और के साथ, पर मैं भूलूंगा नहीं तुझे। तू है कोई अनजाना, लेकिन भूलूंगा। तू है कोई अनजाना, लेकिन भूल ना पाई अभी मैं तुझे। हाँ, प्यार तब भी था, अब भी है। बस अब तू कोई और के साथ है, मैं कोई और के साथ हूँ। लेकिन हम मिलेंगे उस दुनिया में जहाँ पे बस तू और मैं। खुश रहना तू, खुश रहना तू। प्यार तब भी था, प्यार अब भी है, प्यार रहेगा।
So nice, though it's very nice, but I can see what you are, where are you coming from? And you know what? I want to say one thing to Shali Didi. First of all, if any one of you are getting late, so thank you so much, Jai Gurudev. And I would just like to say one thing to Shali Didi. See, in life, if you look for the temporary love, temporary affection, so you will always be in pain. But if you start loving the God, trust me, if you start believing in Him, that is something which you will love, or which, you know, the love which you will get out of it throughout your life. Until you go out from this world, you will feel the same feeling. Trust me, it's an amazing feeling, because I know I really appreciate love and affection. I appreciate, but trust me, we start love one another, right? And then we go after कि भैया हम उनसे करते हैं, वो भी हमसे करें. That is something which we keep doing. That's the way.
Expectation.
Yeah. And when we keep doing such expectation, so sometime when the expectations are fulfilled, we feel, wow, amazing, I am so happy. But when those expectations are not fulfilled, we feel sad, right? But trust me, if you start loving the God, if you start feeling the same emotion for God, trust me, you will be blessed, one, and you will have that, you know, that feeling, that love, affection feeling throughout your life. फिर आपको कोई नहीं. तो मैं ये कहना चाहता था कि ये जो आपने पोएट्री बोली है, that's amazing. अगर आप ये फीलिंग के साथ भगवान से जोड़ लो इस फीलिंग को, ये जो फीलिंग है, ठीक है, अगर इस फीलिंग को आप भगवान से कनेक्ट कर लो, आप जिंदगी भर खुश रहोगे.
भैया, someone says that वियोगी होगा पहला कभी, आ से निकला होगा गान. So he's right in her place.
No,
and भैया some mistakes he did, जैसे कोई और की बाहों में को किसी और की बाहों में, अगर इस तरह से लिखे तो और अच्छा लगेगा.
हाँ, नहीं, मैं समझ रहा हूँ. See, what I'm trying to understand, what is something going into her head, मतलब क्या चल रहा है उनके मन में ना, वो है. यहाँ पे क्या है कि हम हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स हमेशा यही है कि जब हम किसी से कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करने लग जाते हैं, देन प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट्स, फिर उसके बाद तो प्रॉब्लम चलेंगी. बट जिस दिन हम एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करते ना, भगवान से प्यार कर लो एक तरफ से कि आप ही हो भगवान. कोई प्रॉब्लम लाइफ में बोले आप हो, ठीक है जी, मुझे कुछ सोचना ही नहीं है, अब आप हो ना, अपना आप देख लेना. इफ यू हैव दिस फीलिंग इन योरसेल्फ, ट्रस्ट मी, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी लाइफ में कभी भी. योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर, खुशहाली दीदी, आई कांट हियर यू.
I believed God so much. I believed शिव ठाकुर बोले भोलेनाथ.
हाँ, किसी को भी मानो, भगवान तो एक है, वो फॉर्म ऑफ भगवान है. इनको बोलो शिव जी, पार्वती जी, कृष्ण जी, कुछ भी बोलो, दे ऑल आर, यू नो, द गॉड. सो आई एम ओके. आई बिलीव इन एवरीथिंग, ट्रस्ट मी.
भैया,
and yes,
I have also written a poem in Hindi.
I'm looking at the time, by the way. It's okay. Yes, please go ahead, Mamta Didi.
Actually, I love baris, so I wrote the poem recently 2 months ago. मानसून की पहली बारिश, काश हम साथ होते. मानसून की पहली बारिश, काश हम साथ होते. कागज की नाव बनाकर पानी में तैराते. जब नाव थोड़ी आगे दूर निकल जाती, जब नाव थोड़ी दूर आगे जाकर पलट जाती, फिर एक नई नाव बनाते. बचपन तो आने से रहा, कुछ देर बचपन में जाकर जी आते. मानसून की पहली बारिश, काश हम तुम साथ होते.
Very nice.
So beautiful, Mamta Didi.
So inspiring.
Wonderful, Mamta Didi.
So inspiring, Mamta Didi. That's so extremely inspiring.
So enthusiastic.
Yeah, absolutely. If you start following this, you know, this poet also, trust me, you will never feel anything bad. Because वो ठीक है, नाव डूब गई, it's okay, डूब गई, दूसरी बनाओ. Absolutely, that's the way life should be.
भैया, बचपन तो आने से रहा, बचपन में जाकर कुछ देर जी आते.
Exactly, बचपन का सोचो अच्छा लगता है. बट हमारी लाइफ में हम प्रॉब्लम कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं? हम अपने पास्ट के अच्छे मोमेंट याद नहीं करेंगे, उनको एनालाइज नहीं करेंगे, बुरों को सोचेंगे. अरे अच्छों को सोचो, बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा. बचपन सोचो कैसे क्या क्या करते थे, क्या क्या मस्तियां होती थी. You will, that's exactly what she has said in her poem.
It's a message.
ममता जी बोल रहा है, So that's a beautiful message. That's a beautiful message. Amazing, Mamta Didi. Amazing. Mamta Didi, if you keep writing such poets, please do share it with me. I am a fan of it. I am extremely.
Actually, Bhaiya, I wrote in Hindi and you are an English lover, so I can't read you.
No, but I am also a lover of inspiration, motivation, and this is one of them. So that's amazing. It's okay. And trust me, if you have any hidden talent like this, trust me, get out of it. Nikalo se bahar. You all are great people. Live your hobbies. That's exactly what you need to do. जो आपका मन करता है ना वो करो.
I have a request.
Yes, Deepak Bhaiya, go ahead.
Tomorrow, I think we want you to sing a song for us. Yes, definitely. Because we have all sang. But we want you to speak, you to sing.
Okay. Okay, Deepak Bhaiya, if you all can tolerate me, I am okay to sing. Thank you so much. I will definitely try. And thank you so much that you have not given me a surprise to sing now. So probably I have an entire day to practice or to listen some good song, which I can sing. Thank you so much.
It's too late today, so that is why I am not requesting you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Deepak Bhaiya. Thank you. Okay,
Bhaiya.
thank you so much, everyone. It was an amazing day. I just loved it, and I will keep all this as a memory in my YouTube channel for sure. It's
Yeah,
amazing.
I enjoyed so much.
Yes.
So will you upload today or
Such a wonderful class today.
I think you'll be able to get it by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning at 10 or maybe in the evening.
Okay. I will see.
Yes. Thank you so much, Deepak Bhaiya.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
night, Bhaiya.
Thank you,
Anji?
sir.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. Thank
Good
you
night,
so
sir.
much. Jai
Thank
Gurudev.
you, Bhaiya.
Jai Gurudev,
Jai
Bhaiya.
Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, Bhaiya.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.